Okay, I was having a problem with my chain right here in the Rockstar 2005. It was all weak and loose. You can see this one right here. Already replaced it for another one, and I was having trouble just to figure it out how to get out this thing. And it was as simple as grab a hammer, a piece of wood, just pointing like right there, and then hit the MF, and it should be come out easily. Nothing else. There's nothing holding it in something. Nothing. And you don't have to take this thing out. And I did, because I thought something was holding it, but it's not. All you gotta do is just take your dry pulley out, loose it all, take everything out, belt out, and hit that MF out with a piece of wood and a hammer. That's it.